This is PAW Patrol Talking Interactive Chase Stuffed Plush. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe. So it has sound effects. And what you do is you push his backpack and his tail moves, which is super cool. And then he makes a bunch of sounds. And as you can see, like, he's pretty decent size. He's wearing his whole outfit. He's very soft, Chase. Very, very soft. There he is. So he's lovely as a stuffed animal, but it's cool because his tail does wag around and he makes all different sounds, phrases. And all you do is just press the backpack. It would be cool if he was like walking Chase, but it's kind of cool how his tail waves. So if you have a PAW Patrol lover, Chase, this retails for about $25. Target, Walmart, Amazon. Especially if you have someone who loves stuffed animals, it does more than a stuffed animal because it makes some of the sounds and the tail moves. So basically that are the sounds he makes and how his tail waves. So I'd recommend it for PAW Patrol lovers. It's not super exciting, but if you love stuffed animals, he's super soft. He's pretty decent size, and his tail wags around and he makes some sounds. A little bit of that PAW Patrol music.